Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are making first earring of this series, and we are going to make earrings for Valentine's. So I made this bundle. You can see it's a bundle of 40 Valentine earrings design, and our wonderful customer August Woodcraft made them into wood earrings. So you can see how these files are translated into actual products. So these, you can see these are 40 different files, all have hearts either in the shape of mandala or they are repeating. But the basic theme of this bundle is Valentine's. So, and I'll show you a little bit how I created this. You can see behind the scene a little bit that this is the bundle, and this much work went into creating it. So different ideation, trial of sizes, etc. And this is another bundle which I created. So you can see also there is a lot of work which goes into it. So we are going to create something similar, a Valentine's earring, and there are many Valentine's earring in my shop. You can see they are, because they are very popular, people buy them. So we are going to create a simple heart earring in today's tutorial. So okay, now we will set up a document, and this is how I set up my document. Everybody has their own preferences, but this is how I do it. So I will start in Illustrator and open a new file, and with new file I use inches, and I always work on 12 into 12 artboard because it is large enough so I can see and place all the designs in one artboard. And the color mode I'm going to use is RGB, and raster effect, which is the resolution of the file, has to be 300 ppi, so it is a high quality cut file. With our document ready, now first of all I put a gray background behind as a basic layer of the file, so I can see all the artwork easily. If anything is in white, it won't be visible on white artboard. So I just for my ease I put a gray background. So from rectangular tool I'm going to make 12 into 12 inches box, which I will align. I'll go to align, and you choose align to artboard. So this 12 into 12 box will make a base layer which will help me see all the designs. On the second layer I will put I'll just select another color. Usually I select red, and on this second layer I create a 3 into 3 inch box, which is my guide. So I name this layer 3 into 3. This is the most important guide which I use, because this guide will tell me how, like this guide will show me the limits of the design, and because the earrings are mostly under 3 inches tall, so I will not draw outside this box, so this helps me. On the other layer I will name it guides. On this guides, I want to see guides, and I want guides to be there all the time so I can see. So I will go show grid and then snap to grid, and I will use Ctrl R for the rulers. Now I will just put guides right in the middle so I can identify the center. This is very important because first of all, every design in product design we are told that every design has to start from the center. So we will know where the design is. And on the new layer I will name this layer working file, so I will know where I'm putting my working files and where I'm working on the file. So on this layer there will be working files, and the final layer which I would like to use is finished. When our earring will be finished and it is ready to go, I will take this design from working file to finished, so it is always be there in its own layer.